Today I'll show you how to use the list filtering feature in KIS List app to streamline your work. When you have a completed list and want, for example, to share with a client a list containing only furniture from the living room, you can do it easily using the filters available at the top of the specification. Thanks to them, you can filter the list by sections. Most often, these are rooms names. By product categories, provided they were marked when adding products or during list editing. By statuses, which you can mark under the product name, and by client decisions, if you have sent them a proposal or shared a list with the option to accept and reject products. And you can also filter the list by product name, notes, as well as the supplier's name or catalog number, if this data was included in the product description. Thanks to these filters, you can quickly prepare a list of selected items, which you can then export to PDF or Excel, or send as an online proposal to a client or to a store with a request for a quote. Grouping products on the list allows easier shopping management and work organization. With this feature, you can automatically create a list where products are grouped, for example, by suppliers, product categories, their statuses, or even catalog numbers. This will make preparing a file for a store quote or a shopping list for individual stores even faster. On the list, next to the Show section filter, click the grouping icon. After clicking it, choose how you want to group the products on the list. For example, I'll choose Group by Supplier. After selecting the new grouping method, a list is created, where all products are grouped by individual suppliers. Remember also that you can refine the list filtering using the other filters, for example, by selecting a specific supplier and creating a list of products from only that one supplier. You can export the finished list to PDF or Excel or send it as an online proposal. To streamline your work and list filtering, you have the option to add your own statuses and product categories. To do this, click the three dots in the top menu bar while on the list. Next, select the Settings option. In the next step, expand the Statuses list, and at the very bottom of the list, you will find the option to add a new global status. Define the status and click Add. The status will immediately be available for use on your list. In the same window, you will also find the option to add your own product categories. Expand the list, scroll to the very bottom, and add a new category. After adding it, you can immediately specify its default unit of measurement, for example, square meters. Once you've added the statuses and categories, close the window and you're done. Now you know how to quickly prepare a list of selected products for a client, a quote file for a store, or a list of materials for a contractor. And when you want to restore the standard list view if you are using the grouping option, you must restore the default grouping by section. If you are using the basic filters, you just need to click the crossed-out funnel icon. Be sure to save this video for later and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any tips.